Hey, time once again for that daily cabin update that doesn't come every day. This is day 2 of a shelving project. I think you can begin to understand why me and the boss aren't always in agreement on these little projects. I think she thinks I'm going to knock this thing out in 15 minutes. And it's probably going to take me 3 days to finish it. But anyway, here we go. I got my shelf side finished. I got my little 2x2 brackets on. I'm going to put some shelves up. I got 2 of these made. I'm just cutting out some little egg areas so it doesn't sit flat on the floor and teeter-totter or whatever. So I'm just working on that part now, and then I'll get these shelves together and show you a little more later on. All right, that's your update for today. Hey, folks, don't forget to like and subscribe. Send the boss a note, please. All right, see you down the road. God bless.